This model object turns thousands of lines of historical data into process model arrivals in just seconds. Why is it important? Because the manual procedure is difficult, it takes a long time to perform, and it's easy to make a critical mistake. Historical data recording the date, time, and initial acuity of the patient is analyzed to create the multiple distributions needed to represent complex arrival patterns, such as the quantity of arrivals by week and by day, and the pattern of arrivals spread throughout the day, and even the distribution of acuity separation from day to night, all in just a few seconds. This is how it works. The Healthcare Arrivals Import Model object contains complex underlying code that analyzes your data. You just open the Excel spreadsheet attached to the model object, copy your raw data into the input sheet, identify which number in the acuity data is the highest acuity. For example, if the acuity levels were from 1 to 5 and 1 was the most severe, then a 1 would be entered into the field highest acuity. Specify the hours when the acuity level percentages might change. The meaning of this can be best explained with an example. In an intercity hospital, the acuity level shifts to exhibit a higher ratio of acute patients during the late night and early morning hours. You just enter the hour when the day acuity begins and the day acuity ends. Press the button, Prepare Arrivals for Process Model. This process would take about 4 hours to complete manually if you knew all the steps. Fortunately, the model object does all this work for you. There are two possible outputs you could use, one for rural or small city hospitals, and another for large city hospitals exhibiting greater variation from day to day. Graphs are provided to help visualize the newly completed analysis. To finalize the analysis and move the data into Process Model, press the Copy Action Logic button, switch to Process Model and open up the Action Logic dialog, and replace the information in the action logic with the copied information. Press the Copy Arrivals button on the import sheet. Use StatFit to analyze the weekly arrival quantities and prepare a distribution. To learn more about fitting a distribution with StatFit, see the video tutorials in the Solutions Cafe. The newly fitted distribution is pasted into the model Arrival Quantities field, and the transformation of the raw data is complete. In literally just a few seconds, you've seen how to turn thousands of lines of raw data into an accurate representation of arrivals in a healthcare environment. This model object will save you a ton of time, increase your quality, and improve your model accuracy. We hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching this short tutorial.